Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I decluttered out my makeup box. So the first thing I used was some Clorox wipes, and then I went ahead and got me 2 empty bins and just separated my palettes, my eyeshadow palettes, my makeup, and my foundation, and all types of stuff. I separated my foundation, my concealers, my lip glosses. I separated everything so I can wipe them off with the wipes, get all the when your eyebrow pencils and glitter everywhere. Everything was just cluttered, so I wanted to get everything clean. Some things I wiped off and put back in the case, and some things I wiped off and I threw away because they were empty or out or old dated. I didn't need them anymore. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the rest of the video. It's just gonna be sped through, music playing, just because it's gonna be a little, just showing you how I decluttered my space. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes. So guys, just stay tuned. Nice and wiped off, I was just going back in and organizing it nice and neat inside my case. I've had this case for a very long time now. I love it so much because it's pink. So going into the brushes, I'm going to slow this part down. This concoction I'm using is done in some virgin olive oil. I want to go in first on how I'm brushing the brush. I have the brush angled at a diagonal angled, just because when I'm rinsing the soap and stuff, everything out, you don't want the water to directly rush down the brush into the bristles and into the brush head, because that will make the bristles loose, and the glue that's holding the bristles to the wood, it will make it loose, and the bristles and everything will come out. So make sure that you're holding your utensils properly. You're not getting too much water in them, just so they won't, so you can use your brushes very long. So all I did, this concoction was some Dawn and, like I said, virgin olive oil, mixed it up in there, and I took this little scrubbing thing you see, the blue thing you see me here using. I know you see them on beauty pages for $20 and more money than that. This here I'm using is a small it's a soap holder that you get from Family or Dollar Tree or whatever. So that's what I use, and you can use that as well. And ran out of time. So this is the finished. These are the clean brushes. This is my clean case, all nice and yes, girl. Yes. You just want to have a nice case for when you go to clients' houses or you have appointments. Everybody likes to know that you're using clean products on them and that you're disinfecting and everything like that. So like, comment, share, subscribe, guys.